What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another video here for you today. We're going to learn about Pepe, the meme coin Pepe. What is it all about? Let's get into it, yo. The wild ride of Pepe, the meme coin that hopped into crypto fame. Imagine a cartoon frog named Pepe chilling in a comic book, minding his own business. Fast forward to today, and that same frog has inspired a cryptocurrency worth billions of dollars. That's the story of Pepe, one of the wildest meme coins in the world. Launched in the spring of 2023, Pepe exploded on the scene like a viral TikTok dance, drawing in fans with its humor and hype. But behind the laughs, there's a tale of creativity, controversy, and cutthroat trading. In this video, we're going to break it down simply. What is Pepe? Who created it and why? What you can actually do with it, and how to get your hands on some. Buckle up, it's a frog-tastic journey. What exactly is Pepe? At its heart, Pepe is a meme coin, a type of cryptocurrency that's more about internet jokes and community vibes than solving world's problems. It's built on Ethereum blockchain, an ERC20 token, which means it's easy to trade and compatible with tons of wallets and apps. Unlike serious coins like Bitcoin for payments or Ethereum for smart contracts, Pepe doesn't pretend to change the world. It's pure fun, inspired by Pepe the Frog, a green amphibian character drawn by artist Matt Faree in his 2005 comic Boys Club. Pepe started as an innocent slacker frog saying, "Feels good, man," while peeing with his pants down. But the internet turned him into a global icon, popping up in memes about everything from sadness to sarcasm. Sadly, in 2016, some bad actors hijacked Pepe for hate symbols during the US election, which Fury fought against with a Save Pepe campaign. Despite the baggage, crypto fans reclaimed him for good vibes. Pepe the coin launched on April 17th, 2023 and skyrocketed. Within weeks, it hit a $1 billion market cap, and by mid-2023, it peaked at over $5 billion. Today, as of October 2025, it's still kicking around the top 50 coins, with a price hovering near 0.00001 per token. Tiny, but trillions in total supply make it massive. What sets Pepe apart from other memes, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? It's deflationary. Every trade burns a tiny bit of the supply, about 1%, making the remaining coins scarcer over time. It also has a redistribution features that rewards holders with a slice of transaction fees, encouraging people to hang on to their frogs rather than flip them quick. No taxes on buys or sells either, which keeps things smooth. In short, Pepe is crypto cheeky underdog. No fancy tech, just meme magic and market madness. Who made it and why? Pepe didn't slither out of nowhere. It's the brainchild of Zachary Testa, a 28-year-old, as of 2025, landscape photographer from Phoenix, Arizona. Testa, born in 1997, graduated from Arizona State University in 2018 with a marketing degree. By day, he's snapping epic aerial shots of deserts and mountains, showcasing them on his ztesta.com and Instagram. But in the crypto shadows, he's a degen trader, crypto slang for high-risk gamblers. Under pseudonyms? I don't know how to fucking say that word. Like D at Ggen Harambe and Lord Kek LOL on X, formerly known as Twitter. Testa bought early Pepe tokens just minutes after launch and hyped it online. The coin's team stayed anonymous at first, true to meme coin traditions, where devs hide to avoid doxing drama, but on August 25th, 2023, crypto sleuth Polly, aka Jeremy Cahen of Not Larva Labs, blew the lid off, outing Testa as the founder via a viral X post. Why the secrecy? Meme coins thrive on mystery and community takeovers. Once launched, holders often revoke the team's control to prevent rug scams where creators dump and run. Testa and his crew aimed for the fair launch vibe, connecting with exchanges like Binance and Uniswap for quick listings. So why did Testa create Pepe? Simple: to ride the meme wave and make bank. In 2023, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were cooling off, but Pepe the Frog's cult following was ripe for a coin. Testa saw an opportunity to out-meme the memes, blending Fury's character with Ethereum's tech for deflationary twist. It wasn't about revolutionizing finance, it was marketing genius meets crypto chaos. Testa wanted a coin that feels good to hold, rewarding loyal fans while betting on viral hype. As he tweeted early on, via his anonymous accounts, it was all about keks, meme speak for laughs, gains. Critics say it was just a quick flip for profit, but fans credit Testa for sparking community over 100,000 holders who turned it into a cultural phenomenon. What is Pepe used for? Don't expect Pepe to pay your rent or power a DeFi app. Its utility is mostly an eye of the beholder. Primarily, it's a speculative asset. People buy low, hope for pumps from tweets or listings, and sell high. Traders use it for day trading on exchanges, leveraging its volatility for quick wins or losses. The deflationary burn and redistribution mechanics add a gamified layer. Holding long enough and you get passive rewards from other trades, like a mini dividend for frog faithfuls. Beyond trading, Pepe builds community. Holders form armies on Discord and X, sharing memes, art, contests, and charity drives. Some tied to Fury's anti-hate efforts. The roadmap includes partnerships with NFT projects and games featuring Pepe avatars in 2024. Pepe integrated with wallets like Trust Wallet for easy staking pools, where you lock tokens, earn more. It's also popped up in metaverses as a fun currency for virtual frog parties. But let's be real, 90% of Pepe action is hype-driven. Elon Musk tweets about frogs, price jumps 50%. A celeb shouts it out. Moon time, it's not used like Visa. It's played like a stock in a casino. That said, in a world of boring blue chips, Pepe reminds us crypto can be silly and social. Where can you get Pepe? Snagging Pepe is straightforward, whether you are a newbie or a pro. First, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Ethereum or Trust Wallet, mobile friendly. These hold your keys and connect to exchanges. For beginners, head to centralized exchanges like Binance or KuCoin. I think you can get it at Coinbase, pretty sure. Yeah. Should be at Coinbase, I believe. Probably could also get it at BTCC, my current favorite exchange. They got huge bonuses, guys. So you could probably get it there, BTCC or Coinbase. I'll have both links in the description. Let's see here. Pro tip, start small, enable 2FA, and never share seed phrases. As of 2025, Pepe trades 24/7 globally, but watch for regional bans. Some countries restrict memes. Really? Interesting. Okay. The dark side, controversies, and crashes. Pepe is not all ribbits. Days after Polly's doxing, 17 trillion tokens, $18 million dumped from the team wallet to Binance and OKX, crashing the price 15%. Wallet security dropped from 5 of 8 keys to 2 of 8, sparking rug pull fears. Testa denied it, blaming rogue ex-developers, but skeptics cried foul. Polly also accused Testa of blowing profits on a $865,000 purple Lamborghini and stiffing Fury royalties, claims unproven but juicy. Plus, Pepe's alt-right history lingers through the coin community, pushes positive vibes. Competitors like Pepe 2.0 with taxes for development call original Pepe lazy. Still, it survives on sheer frog power. Wrapping up, to the moon or back to the pond. Pepe proves memes can mint millionaires or memes. From Testa's quiet launch to billionaire status, it's a testament to crypto's absurd charm. Created for laughs and gains, used for trades and tribes, buyable anywhere with internet, Pepe embodies the frogs feels good ethos amid the chaos. As markets evolve, will it hop forever or get squished? Only time and tweets will tell. If you are diving in, remember it's volatile, always do your own research, and never bet the farm. In the end, Pepe isn't just a coin, it's a reminder that in crypto, the weirdest ideas win. The weirdest ideas. We gotta think of some weird ideas, guys. I'm just kidding. I got enough coins, man. I got Santa and we got Filipina, man. We didn't need anything else. I think I'm happy with my coins on XRP Ledger. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of Pepe down below in the comments section. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. Alright. I appreciate y'all watching. Smash the like, subscribe, share it, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Check out SantaAll.net, support my YouTube channels, Crypto Commander, 5-minute crypto updates, and What It's Like Adventures. Find special codes in the videos for free entries. On the account page at SantaAll.net, check your balances, then scroll to enter codes. Type the code, apply a coupon, and snag free Santa just for watching. Head to the watch videos for Santa pick from my categorized videos. Watch to earn 100 Santa every 5 seconds. When done, hit next video, keep going, and climb the weekly leaderboard. Top 5 win XRP. First place gets 5 XRP plus 10 million Santa, 10 million Filipina. Santa is our utility coin for the website.
and upcoming game. Filipina, the meme coin, we airdrop free Filipina to top 10 Sana holders weekly and burn 100,000 Sana per watch hour on my channels every week. Cash out anytime on the account page. Swap Sana for Filipina for Fortnite items, gods, unchained tokens, or straight up XRP. Fill out the form and done. Click on the menu, get free crypto and stocks, my affiliate links for Ledger Wallets, Coinbase. You can deposit $20, get $30, Uphold, deposit $100, get $20, BitTrue promos, and BTCC. New users score up to $10,055 in USDT Tether bonuses. Just register, get $10, verified KYC, get $20, first deposit, bonus scales with the amount, spot trade, $5, futures trade, get $20 when you make your first futures trade. Tasks expire, so act fast, link in the description. Grab a Sana. Sana means hope in Tagalog. You can get it on XP Market, use Xaman wallet, swap XRP for Sana or Filipina. Airdrops, go to the top 10 holders of Sana. Huge potential, but invest wisely only. Invest what you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed. Smash the like, subscribe, and share it. Peace out till next time.